Oh guys, so I I read the those two eggs. That was the last one. Oh gosh. I guess we're gonna have to do this again. Oh, there we go. There we go. And crack. Okay, here we go. Now I got that. Now I'm gonna mix it up like that. Okay, there we go. You gotta mix it all around. Make sure the butter goes in it. There we go. Okay, and yummy. Okay, now all I need to do is put it in the microwave. Okay, like that. Make sure your parents is watching you while you do this. So what you do is you close it up. You set a time clock and you put it 2, 0, 0, and then you put that and then you put 2, 0, 0, and then start. Let's see what the magic happens. I want to see the magic. What's it gonna do? Is it cooking? Do you hear the sizzling sound? Oh my god! It's gonna taste so good. It's gonna be all in my belly. Waiting, and after that, I'm gonna mix it up. It's gonna be like scrambled eggs. I cannot believe it. And this is one of the awesomest magic tricks ever. Is it done yet? It looks pretty cool. You see it? Look, the magicness is happening. It looks so good. It looks like it's gonna pop. Yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh! The magic happened! Now all of you guys know how to make some eggs! I'm gonna cook some more! And after that, I'm gonna use a spoon to mix it up. I got my spoon! Oh, that looks delicious. 3 eggs make this much. Well, if you guys like this, comment down below. Bye, guys!